Welcome. If you're part of a WhatsApp community and you're thinking about leaving, this quick guide will walk you through the exact steps to do it easily and confidently. Whether you've joined by mistake, finished your purpose there, or just want to declutter your chats, here's how to leave a community on WhatsApp updated for the latest version. First, open the WhatsApp app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into the account where you joined the community. Once you're on the main screen, look at the bottom of your app for the Communities tab. It usually looks like a group of people. Tap on it to see all the communities you're part of. If you don't see the tab, don't worry. You can also find community groups right in your chat list. Just scroll until you spot the community-related group or announcement chat that belongs to that community. Next, tap on the community name at the top of the screen. This will open the main details page where you can see all the linked groups, descriptions, and members. Now, on the top right corner of the screen, you'll see 3 vertical dots. That's the options menu. Tap those dots, then select More. And after that, choose Exit Community from the menu that appears. WhatsApp will ask you to confirm that you really want to leave. Tap Exit or Leave Community to confirm. Once you do this, you'll be automatically removed from all linked groups within that community, and you won't receive any future announcements or updates from it. And that's it. You've successfully left the WhatsApp community. It's a simple process that takes less than a minute. Remember, if you ever change your mind, you can always rejoin if the community admin sends you another invitation link. Thanks for watching.